Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the further notification. Now, what is life insurance? Life insurance meaning life insurance can be defined as a contract between insurance policy holder and insurance company where the insurance promises to pay a sum of money exchange for premium upon the death of an insured person or after a set of period here at ICICI a potential life insurance. You pay premium for the specific terms and in return we provide you with a life cover. This life cover series your loved ones features by paying a lump sum amount in case of the unfortunate event. In some policies you are paid an amount called maturity benefits at the end of the policy term. There are two basic types of the life insurance plans: pure protection and the protection and the saving. What is pure protection plan? A pure protection plan is designed to secure your family's future by providing a lump sum amount in your absence. What is protection and saving plan? A protection and saving plan is a financial tool that helps you plan for your longer term goals like purchasing a home funding your children's education and more, while offering benefits of a life cover to know factor that affect the life insurance. Know that you know what is life insurance and you need to it. Find the that the factor can change affect the life insurance premium. First, age. Age one of the prime factor that affect the premium for a life insurance premium for a life insurance plan is your age. The life insurance premium is lower for your younger people and then gradually increase with the age gender. And studies have shown women live longer than men. Therefore, the life insurance premium is lower for women as compared to the men. Health condition. You present and post a health condition can determine the premium or the premium for your life insurance plan. If you have any pre-existing illness or have suffered from the illness in the past, that may refer resurface or affect your present health, you would be changed or higher premium. Family health. And the chances of suffering from a disease that runs in your family are considerably high. So if a hereditary illness run in your family, you may have to pay a higher premium. Smoking and drinking alcohol. Lifestyle habits like smoking and drinking alcohol can impact your health and lead to multiple health issues. Therefore, the insurance companies charge a high premium individuals who smokes or drink alcohol. Types of the coverage. The type of the coverage you opt for can increase or decrease the life insurance premiums. If you add any riders to your plan, the premium would increase. A longer policies term can also result in a higher premium companies compared to a shorter term. In addition, into this type of the life insurance plan, you select the impact the premium for insurance terms. Life insurance is the nearest offering from the info life insurance. Amount coverage. A higher sum assumed would result in the higher premium and the vice versa. Occupation. If you work in a high risk job, the premium for your life insurance plan would be higher than the other. For example, if you work in construction, or if you work puts you at any kind of the risk such as irregular exposure to chemicals, the insurance company will charge a higher premium from you. Thank you.